Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good afternoon. My name is Nur Sharafina binti Abdurrahman and today I would like to present the research paper about the validation of RESTful web service as integration approach. This is the contents of my presentation. For the introduction, health information system has become most challenging and promising fields of research. However, HIS consists of several systems which has not integrated each other due to the requirements of healthcare center. So the aims of this research is to design and develop an application integration using two different systems which are HIS and Computed Radiography System CRS implemented at healthcare center. Integrating existing and new system may result in significant cost and labor to the organization. To support new needs, organization often option for specific solution rather than revamp the whole system in order to balance the cost and the effectiveness of the solution. So the current healthcare application system provider pursue to adapt a protocol or standard known as Health Level 7 HL7 standard to manage the administrative and clinical data transfer between HIS and the other systems. But there are some restrictions for the developer to develop a healthcare application based on HL7 standard. Because of the complexity of the HL7 standard, many applications developed to serve in the healthcare industry do not follow the standards known as non-compliant HL7 standard application software. Therefore, in order to ensure the workable integration mechanism can be established, an integration solution needs to be explored so that the entire healthcare system can be implemented smoothly. So, in this research, there are several problems. Okay, the problem statements here. First one is the doctor required to request patient for X-ray and immediate information after patient has performed the X-ray procedure. Second one, however, current HIS or CRS was not developed according to HL7 standards. In order to establish integration between the two systems, the non-compliant HL7 method is needed. So the research questions here are, first, what are the problem imposed difficulties the integration between HIS with CRS? Second one, how integration can be done for these two systems? And third one, how to ensure the successful of integration between HIS and CRS? In the research here, there are research objectives. First one is to identify the problem of integration initiative between HIS and CRS. And then the second one, to apply non-compliant HL7 standard approach to integrate the HIS and CRS. And third one, to validate the successful implementation of integration between HIS and CRS. Scope and limitation here for this research is applied for submission of patient's information and orders submitted by medical officer that use HIS system to the CRS. Number 1. Number 2, the patient information will be received by CRS and stored in their work list. And third one, this system only used by PKU, Pusat Kesihatan University, Universiti Utara Malaysia, in order to improve working procedures. One is a literature review. So for the literature review, first one is Health Level 7, HL7. HL7 is actually a standard developing organization designed for healthcare field, www.hl7.org 2013. So some of these deficiencies were already noted by MAIT 2003 that state HL7 has assembled a considerable amount of process and number of artifacts without too much concern to EML. HL7 is also not in general interested in software system. The second one is Enterprise Application Integration, EAI. So EAI, this research is developed based on EAI environment. EAI plays a fundamental role in this scenario. It can be conducted by different means, for example, by sharing the access to database or using web services. So there are several sets of patents in the EAI. So, based on Kaneshima and Braga 2012, this application integration project for this research is suitable with patent number 2 compared to several factors. So, this patent context is an application is being developed CRS in which part of the required information already exists in another application, HIS, possibly in a different platform. Is a web service. Web service is a distributed computing technology. So interoperability among the existing application is easily achieved by web services as they leverage the Open Internet Standard based on CEF 2002. So the web service are preferred over traditional enterprise application integration EAI solution for integration. So next one is representational state transfer, REST. So REST is not dependent on any protocol, but almost every RESTful service uses HTTP as its underlying protocol based on MVACAS 2014. So Paul Tasso, Zimmerman, and Lehman 2008 state that web service versus REST debate. REST is the better approach while web service is more flexible and addresses advanced quality of service requirements commonly occurring in enterprise computing. The development of application integration between HIS and CRS was categorized into several phases, which are adopted agile methodology. So the problem and requirement analysis, design and development, and evaluation phase were implemented iteratively in order to accelerate software development due limited time. Both prototype application of HIS and CRS were developed using Visual Studio 2012, while HIS is developed using ASP.NET, while CRS is developed by using Visual Basic. The data is stored and managed in SQL Server. This research is focused on the successful integration between both applications. This research used RESTful web service as the approach to integrate between HIS and CRS. In figure below, there is an integration flow in order to integrate HIS and CRS. HIS will update data from its database and then use RESTful web service method to transfer data into JavaScript object notation JSON format. JSON is an ideal data interchange language because it is easy to human to read and write. It is also easy for machine to parse and generate. After REST convert HIS data into JSON's format, again REST will use its GET method to return a representation of the requested resource from the CRS. The integration architecture between HIS and CRS is shown in this figure. The integration between HIS and CRS is achieved by using the REST web service approach. REST is a web application architecture style that works in client-server for environment and use stateless communication protocol. A stateless communication protocol that commonly used is the standard HTTP, which is used to manipulate resources. Resources such as image, data, and file can be manipulated by either one of the HTTP method or requests like get, put, post, and delete. For the next one is result and finding. The evaluation of the integration process between HIS and CRS is performed by getting feedback from the domain expert such as medical officer and also X-ray officer by using the System Usability Scale SUS questionnaire. So SUS consists of 10-item questionnaire with 5 response options for respondent from strongly agree to strongly disagree. So this is the SUS questionnaire 1 until 10, and this one is the SUS percentage score, which that we have here 17%, which excellent score 50% which good score and 33% which okay. For the discussion, the application integration is successfully implemented where interoperability between HIS and CRS complete. Both systems were developed as prototype because of the several issues. RESTful Web Service is embedded inside HIS in order to implement the application integration. As the conclusion and future work, HIS and CRS were not developing according to HL7 standard, so that integration is achieved by using RESTful Web Service approach. So the evaluation is made to validate the successful implementation of integration between CRS and HIS by interview the expert domain who using the system. With enough time and both systems are accessible, the application integration can be implemented in the real environment. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you.